What is up, everyone? Welcome back to your daily stimulus check news. The topic of today's video is your fourth stimulus check update. As we see, the very first article, Forbes, very reputable, very legit, a fourth stimulus check bill could be coming. And will you actually be receiving a fourth stimulus check? Will a check be included in Biden's fourth stimulus package? If you didn't know, Joe Biden 100% confirmed that he is going to do a fourth stimulus package. But the question is, will it actually include fourth stimulus checks? Right here, the breakdown you need to know. We'll get more on this later. Then we have this article right here. USA Today, is another stimulus check coming? And as you see in this video, I'm not allowed to play video. Joe Biden is signing a fourth stimulus package and he has a budget, but the question is, yes, he's willing to spend, billions of dollars, but he's giving the money to state by state basis. What does this mean? You have to contact your state, and we still have no information regarding state to state, what states are actually going to be included, what states are not going to be included, what actually is the cutoff, who qualifies, who doesn't qualify. There's a lot of things to go into it. If we take a look right here, guys, how much money could Californians get? Basically, it'd be between $1,100 individual to $500, so somewhere between $1,000 and $600. Taxpayers making between $30,000 and $75,000 a year will get $600, and right here, at least one child will get $500. An extra $500 per child. Again, very, very good news. It's looking like California is 100% confirmed, and it will be the very first, state that's doing this. What are critics saying? Comment below, guys. What do you think? Do you support this way, aka Joe Biden giving, a budget to state by state basis, or do you much rather prefer the way it's been going this whole time, the last 3 stimulus checks, where every single citizen gets X amount? I'd even prefer if everyone got, let's say, 600. I personally think, in my opinion, allegedly just my opinion, that it's better to give every single citizen, in every single state something, so it's fair. Not, give one person in one state this much, one person in that much. It just doesn't make a lot of sense to me. But at least USA Today and Forbes, very reputable, Joe Biden is officially doing a fourth and a fifth stimulus package. The only question is, who will actually receive a fourth stimulus check? What states will count? What states will not count? Real quick, I want to let you know I post daily videos. Every single day I post one video, and in every single video I give away free Amazon gift cards. To enter the free Amazon gift card giveaway, all you have to do is you must hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and comment an emoji. And then when this video hits 500 likes, I'll be picking the winner in my next video tomorrow. Now, with that out the way, let's get back to the Forbes article. Basically, the breakdown, what you need to know. Joe Biden 100%, confirmed, literally signed into law a fourth stimulus package. With that being said, there's no 100% evidence, conclusion, or anything that points to 100% concrete yes or no answer regarding a stimulus, the stimulus situation. And basically, Joe Biden confirmed a fourth stimulus package, and he confirmed a budget, right? He knows how much money he's going to spend, but there's going to be a lot of different ways, this money's being used. But the number one question that everyone has at hand, guys, is will a fourth stimulus check be coming? Who will be actually qualified? What state's getting money? What state is not? The only thing I can confirm and say 100%, without a doubt, is that California is getting $600. So if you live in California, I would definitely contact them. Anything else, guys, I'm gonna keep it 100% honest with you, like I always do. I'm not like all these other BS YouTubers lying to your face, manipulating you, telling you what you want to hear. No, I don't know. Nobody knows. I have a source that's worked inside Senate and Congress for almost 6 years. They don't know. Nobody knows. The only thing we do know, based on Forbes and USA Today, is that Joe Biden is 100% giving money in his fourth stimulus package, his rescue package, and it's going to be used for a lot of different things. But he is giving billions of dollars to state by state, and hopefully more states will start coming out and saying, this is what you have to do to qualify. We're actually giving this much. We're not doing it. More news to come. But if you want to stay up to date, daily videos, daily giveaways, I just want to let you guys know, huge news today. Joe Biden officially confirmed a fourth stimulus package, a budget, and he signed it into law. That's pretty much it, guys. If you didn't already, go watch my last video. Also, if you're not a member, hit this white join button on my channel. Hit that like button, be subscribed, comment emoji, enter the giveaway. That's it for today, guys. Have a great day. Peace.